DIY patio using porcelain tiles from Tile Mountain. Step 1. Prepare the base. Add 100 to 150mm type 1 aggregate, whack it down and make sure it's tightly compacted. In this instance I whacked it 3 times. Step 2. Prime the slabs and mix your mortar ready to start laying your porcelain tiles. Third step, you need to start laying. Make a bed of mortar between 40 to 80mm and keep that fall away from the house around 25mm for every metre. Mine was 50 metres over my patio. I used a level to make sure I kept this fall away, and then I started using self-leveling clips to make sure each tile was flush. 24 hours later you can start knocking out your leveling clips, and then you can start using your brush and grout. Using the brush and grout you need to make sure you keep your tiles moist while you do this, so I squirted mine down with the hose. Here you can see me just brushing into the grout into all those cracks, and then there you have it, your completed tiles.